Welcome to today's morning report. Trust Proposals on Monday, the 12th of September, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. The European trading session has gone off to a very negative start. Actually, we've had a sell-off that came on Friday on Wall Street, which was driven by sort of comments really from Eric Rosengren, the FOMC member, that suggested that he's historically been dovish, but he was talking about the fact that low interest rates for an extended period of time will be damaging for the US economy. And the markets took that hawkishly. And since then, we've seen some significant moves on not only the dollar rallying hard on Friday. We also had Treasury yields pushing higher. That's the 2-year, but the 10-year being the main one, pushing higher to the highest it's been since Brexit. And look at this VIX volatility index spiking seriously higher in the last couple of days, actually, on that move. And equity markets are really coming under pressure as this sort of fear has re-entered into the market. There's a significantly big downside move on the DAX, which is my chart of the day, which I'll show you in a bit, but also on CAC and FTSE. And it looks like a possible corrective phase has started with the sort of higher risk trades being under pressure now. We've got metals prices which are coming off. We're seeing safe haven plays such as the yen and gold sort of holding up, and it looks like the market is taking a bit of a turn for the worse for now anyway. And today we haven't got a great deal actually of economic data. There's no real major events of any note. However, you have got FOMC member Brainard talking this afternoon. She is historically a dovish FOMC member again, but similar to Eric Rosengren. So it could be that the comments that she comes out with at 6 o'clock this afternoon could well have a major impact on markets again, so watch out for that. But in front of those comments, my chance today is the DAX, and we've certainly been in this uptrend, but that uptrend got broken on Friday after the initial sell-off, but a massive gap lower today, which still leaves us with a gap at 10,539 as Friday's low, currently around sort of not a million miles off, 200 ticks below that. But you look at the deterioration in these momentum indicators. The RSI is now the lowest it's been since early July. Stochastics turning lower, MACD lines bear kiss and pulling lower. You also would argue that pulling below this breakout range between 10,370 and 10,475, I think was a key move. 10,365, 10,370 being that 50% fib level. It sort of now really changes the outlook, and if the market now closes below 10,442, which was this reaction low here, if I can get the crosshair on it. No, it doesn't want to help me out. There you go. 10,442, which is the 29th of August low. That was a top pattern. That's the neckline of that top pattern, which becomes resistance. And you'd say that any close below that today, which looks at the moment like it's going to happen, I think any close below that would be a significant deterioration. And here we see on the hourly chart in more detail that top pattern whereby you had this sort of old support that now turns into new resistance. So you've got the overhead resistance levels coming in. Today's high of 10,400, 10,442, and also this reaction low here at 10,492. So several ticks worth of key resistance levels between here and the actual gap that still remains unfilled for now. So any sort of near-term bounces are likely to be seen as a chance to sell on the DAX now, because it looks like it's entered into what looks like is a corrective phase now. So pulling back lower, you'd sort of measure the target 10,443 down from 10,800. That's what, 360 ticks. It's thereabouts. Target of 1080 measured down from 10,443 area, 10,442, and it certainly looks like we're going to get a retest probably of this initial reaction low from early August of 10,092. So that looks like it's perfectly within the realms of possibility. So a corrective phase could well be seen on equity markets, and selling into strength is likely to be the way to play it now. So I wish you good luck in your trading on DAX, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.